We create a link between strategy. What is strategy? We will define this. Process, this will be tackled on the second day. And then the balance scorecard will be discussed in detail this afternoon. But firstly, I will give an overview this morning, but I will run through the whole process of the strategic planning and strategic management systems throughout the first half of the morning. And feel free to ask your questions. As Norina said, we'll be very informal. And we'll be focusing on needs. Earlier in the past, we asked people, as soon as they come in, we ask for pieces of paper and ask for needs. And we have seen through the sessions that we've run that the needs are almost always the same. Companies want to find out how they can win against competition. So, we live in a very volatile world. It's very dynamic. Everything is changing. We are changing, our organization is changing, our people change, our attrition rates are high. We have many issues. Some of us have overcapacity. Some of us have undercapacity. And because of these issues, if you add up custom barriers, you find that there are some things that you need to do in order to stay afloat in the changing world of the competitive industry where we are existing. Sometimes we are forced to look into maybe specialization and then thereafter integration, because as soon as we've done this, the equations change. Prices change, the dollar exchange fluctuate. And who among you here are doing stock trading? At least through maybe personal or through brokers. May I see a show of hands? Okay, good. If you are in that arena, you will find that it is volatile right down to the very minute. Because as soon as you've bought a stock at a certain price, by closing, maybe it has gone down or maybe it has come up by 4 pesos or 5 pesos. On sometimes like TEL, for example, yesterday, it went down by about 300 pesos per unit of stock. Amazing. It's so dynamic. And so often you realize that, hey, there are so many cost effects. I have to take care of the bottom line. So in spite of maybe in the past you have implemented total quality management or Lean Six Sigma, you feel that they are still not enough and you still have to do new things. And in spite of putting up so many strategies during the past years, maybe corporate plans for 5 years and then corporate plans for a year, hey, we need to review every now and then and maybe change the strategies as we go along. And then, maybe you have a competitive edge, which used to be something that you're so proud of. And then suddenly they become a disadvantage.